So hi guys, welcome to my Kidstone channel. So today we are gonna talk about the Alien X, Ben's most powerful alien. He can stop the time also, and he can reverse the time also. He can do anything. So let's get in the video. Alien X is a humanoid alien whose entire body is solid black, excluding his hands which are white. He has tiny white star-like spots all over his body, giving him the appearance of a starry night sky. His eyes are green and lack pupils, and his forehead bears three horn-like protrusions. In Omniverse, Alien X is largely the same as before, but with minor changes. His chin is now bigger, his body is more muscular, his arms are smaller, and the stars on his body are brighter than before. Alien X wears the original Omnitrix symbol on his chest. Alien X has three personalities: Serena, the voice of love and compassion; Bellicus, the voice of rage and aggression; and Ben, the voice of reason. All three types of voices combine to form Alien X speech, otherwise, Alien X is silent. The only thing he will say are what he will be doing, what Ben, Bellicus, and Serena have agreed to do. As Serena and Bellicus have been arguing for eternity and before they had no tiebreaker, getting them to focus on any present task is difficult at best. This leaves Alien X's body trapped in place, floating about a foot above the ground until an argument is made. Alien X is omnipotent, being able to warp reality, time, and space with ease and at any level he wishes. Even his thoughts can become real. In short, Alien X can do anything. Alien X can create time waves to reverse events. Alien X can create and recreate an entire universe at will. Alien X is nearly invulnerable as he was completely unarmed when Annihilus destroyed the universe around him. Alien X can self-duplicate, create galaxies to stuck in other beings, and travel at high speeds. He also possesses superhuman strength and an ability to grow to gigantic size, as demonstrated by the Galactic Gladiator. He is skilled to hand-to-hand combat. Alien X possesses telekinesis and is capable of deflecting energy attacks such as those generated by a Prytopathian. In order for Alien X to perform any action, including simple movement and transforming back, all three types of personalities must agree to do so. This has proven to be a major weakness, as Serena and Bellicus weren't interested in dealing with present affairs and wanted to finish past ones that weren't possible to deal with without Ben. In Omniverse, Ben still needs to consult Bellicus and Serena to get control. He is just better at it now. Alien X is vulnerable to having his powers absorbed, as Ben and Azimuth have implied that Darkstar and Osmosians respectively can absorb his omnipotent powers. Other celestials, like the Galactic Gladiator, can harm Alien X. Alien X's actions into reality can be neutralized and reversed by intervention of other celestials. Alien X can be devoured by a government who would either digest him or spit back him out. Alien X can be affected by a pneumonia sleep dust. Alien X personality can be scared by a Topix species. Alien X life can be drained by a Vladet. He also cannot survive on Anovladius. Alien X powers may be limited to the basic cosmic laws of other universes or may not work depending on the universe. Alien X cannot manipulate mana directly. He would have to alter the universe to change the nature of mana first. Also, his cosmic powers do not work well against magic, making him vulnerable too. So like a video, please subscribe my channel. Meet you in another video.